originally wrote lyrics, cause we can't lead a show if it's no finished. But we'll get inside your soul with a bold gimmick. It's called truth, it used to be a myth till we brought proof. Some originally wrote lyrics, cause we can't lead a show if it's no finished. But we'll get into your soul with a bold gimmick. It's called truth, it used to be a myth till we brought proof.
Hello there, what? Aye, it's good to be back, it's good to be back. We never left, but we got a new stack of new tracks. It's grittier than new jacks. So who's that? They do that, they prove that. You can't be this fat, even if you weighed 500 stone. I'd phone the RAF to give you a serious you home. Harass you on the phone like you took it alone. We'll smoke in a cone and drop an unexpected like attack of the clones. No breaking your home, I just steal your garden gnomes. Smear rust in the chrome, take the thunder out the dome. I'm making a claim cause I'm accident prone, and half it's caused by weird shit like the Twilight Zone. We might spit a verse in a track that's random, come up with mere characters than Sacha Baron. Rains so deep that what you can't fathom, and half these guns are shite and I can't stand them. You want an opera, we'll meet your phantom. You can't take it like a kid that's flinging a tantrum. You're just a lizard and I'm a dragon, and I pay my dues and my rights to start bragging. And on this mic, mate, what? I'm hogging it. World domination complex, Philly is fogging it, and all the shit, aye? I'm dislodging it, and if you score some good cheer, don't bother break me off a bit. Keys any crowd, and that's how we're rocking it. See you scoring the ground, best believe I pocket it. We ain't getting our shit away for free, man, I'm flogging it. Your shit's that bad, tax evasion style, I'm dodging it. Rotten fruit and veg, flung at you your song and mocking it. Caution wet floor, bit with your face, I'm mopping it. You don't work hard enough, so you pay, I'm docking it. And don't bother with eBay, cause nobody let you fucking auction it. We're Amphi, we did the shit for ourselves. I've never asked or begged for any other cunt's help. Didn't copy any style, I made my aim and travelled more than 8 miles just to stake my claim. This world's shameless, that's why I'm tameless and blameless. I never seek to be famous, they only celebrate the brainless. Hear the stainless steel has all the mass appeal, and in 10 years time you can see how acid feels when it pours down from blue to skies up above. When it finally goes down, there'll be no time for peace and love. Forever cursed, sitting, spitting some sinister stuff. It's never enough, ripping freedom ever a bus. Has the thought ever occurred that we're a slave to their agenda? And nowadays it pays to be the pretender, money spender, a lender, graduate or young offender. We're on the shit together, so just remember to treat others the way you want to be treated. You're treating folk like Gaddafi, and then it's you that's the Egypt. Cause when you get out, we'll always come back. I come from Scotland, what we call the cold cauldron of rap. On the attack, aye, and that's how it is. You can get what you give, try to stress how we live. Come and test, we don't fib, make a mess of you pig. I arrest but be good, but you ain't getting me nicked. And I want a medal, because I'm on another level. Living in peril and blending with the bass and the treble. I'll be labelled as a rebel, even portrayed as a devil. But none of you cunts can meddle with the strength of my metal. And for the fuckers saying I'm not down with the programme, you forgo I'm like father time and I wait for no man. A master of known slang, fear a more clan. We're spliffing a coke can, still renting the lowlands. Night begins to fall and I'm predicting a riot, basing my theory on the fact that it's suspiciously quiet. Listen, add some platinum silence. You can have it all if you can hack the violence. Forbidden substances will energise your feelings. Attitude adjusting chemicals get high as the ceiling. The opposite sex will put stress on your brain, make a mess of your hame and gay less than the gain. If the wee man's no got mammy, then he'll grow up savagely. If cutie's no got daddy, she'll get took advantage of. You're bound to see the bliss in the crime, but all I'm wishing for the simple things in life that come with living it right. I don't believe in bliss, I'm no worthy. If heaven was for me, I wouldn't need ambition or money. Constant fighting, try to put the impossible into writing. Still don't hear a single sound, exposed by the light. And I'm talking loyalty, life, love, all the above stuff. Accepting that you're insecure, admitting you're fucked up. Being nothing less than the mess you are, and nothing more, cause you're scared, unprepared, and you've heard it's no all it's cracked up to be. But I bet I came from people that don't even have a fuck to give. You need to stay true, stay you, stay who. Can't it be escaped for a second? Fuck them if they're threatened. If all I knew was rap, I'd just end up another sorrowful showman, wishing for one mere historical moment. Check how much there is to be a party. Don't dismiss a heart to heart with something sarky. Receive it warmly. Judgment's just like charity, it starts at him. We might end up as individuals, but we start the same. There's less saved than kept close. We'll all be a notch on deathbed post. Precious is time and this is mine. Forgotten policy. This old crew. Ayrshire Glasgow Alliance. Some originally wrote lyrics, cause we can't lead a show if it's no finished. But we'll get inside your soul with a bold gimmick. It's called truth, it used to be a myth till we brought proof. Some originally wrote lyrics, cause we can't lead a show if it's no finished. But we'll get into your soul with a bold gimmick. It's called truth, it used to be a myth till we brought proof.